Looking to upgrade your workshop without breaking the bank? In this video, we've rounded up 20 amazing woodworking tools all under $50 and all available on Amazon. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, a weekend craftsman, or a professional woodworker, these budget-friendly tools will help take your skills to the next level. Let's dive into the tools that deliver big value for a small price. Without further ado, let's get started. Joining curved edges precisely can be a real challenge, especially when clean alignment and strong bonding are critical. The Infinity Tools slot cutter solves this with an anti-kickback three-wing design that delivers perfect slots and grooves in both hardwood and softwood. It effortlessly follows curved or straight edges, making it ideal for biscuit slots, tongue and groove milling, T-molding grooves, or any custom joinery that requires precise depth control. With interchangeable arbors, cutter thicknesses, and bearing diameters, it offers unmatched flexibility for any woodworking project. The easy-to-assemble system is compatible with a router bit vise for safe setup. Designed for ornamental features, spline joints, and specialty work, this tool opens up creative possibilities beyond straight-line cuts, delivering consistent, high-quality results. Achieving perfect miter cuts and angled corners can be difficult without precise measurement and guidance. The Wolfcraft Bevel and Mitre box simplifies the process with a smart 2-in-1 design, combining a bevel gauge and miter box in one compact tool. Ideal for measuring internal and external angles from 85 degrees to 180 degrees. It features integrated guide pins that automatically bisect angles for error-free miter cutting. Designed for battens up to 70 to 100 millimeters high, it enables precise sawing of baseboards and other trim with ease. With easy handling and convenient angle transfer, it eliminates guesswork, making it perfect for carpenters, DIYers, and anyone needing accurate corner fitting. Moving heavy workbenches or machinery around a workspace can be difficult without a reliable mobility solution. The SOLEJAZZ Workbench Casters Kit transforms stationary benches into mobile units with its heavy-duty retractable caster set. Built from reinforced steel and featuring 2.5-inch durable polyurethane wheels, this kit supports up to 660 pounds and ensures floor protection across surfaces. The 360 degrees rotation allows smooth, tight-space maneuvering, while textured step-down pedals make lifting and lowering effortless. It includes an installation template and hardware for quick setup without measuring tools. Perfect for work tables, benches, or lightweight machines, it delivers unmatched mobility, stability, and convenience in any workshop. Achieving clean, precise cuts with a jigsaw often requires stable support and clear visibility of the cutting line. The Wolfcraft Jigsaw Cutting Table offers a galvanized 320 by 300 millimeter worktop that securely mounts to any work table or benches up to 60 millimeters thick. Compatible with jigsaws using blades up to 100 millimeters, it includes an integrated scale and parallel stop for repeatable, accurate parallel and curved cuts. Its design allows an unobstructed view of the marked line for better precision and fewer ragged edges. Easy to assemble and space-saving, this cutting table is perfect for controlled, clean jigsaw work across a wide range of DIY projects. Precision smoothing and trimming demand a tool that combines control, weight, and exceptional craftsmanship. The Infinity Clifton block plane is a premium low-angle block plane made in Sheffield, England, by the last traditional hand tool manufacturer in the UK. Featuring a solid cast bronze body, it offers rust resistance and ideal heft, while the walnut lever cap ensures a comfortable grip. A north-style adjuster allows fine-tuned depth and angle control, and the adjustable mouth lets you manage shaving thickness effortlessly. Its cryo-treated O1 tool steel iron excels at smoothing end grain, joints, and reversing grain, making it perfect for corner breaking, cleanup, and precise joinery tasks. Securing materials firmly during cutting, sanding, or drilling is essential for accuracy and safety. The Wolfcraft work table clamp is a reliable accessory for work and machine tables designed to fit all 20mm holes, including the Wolfcraft Master Series. Made from high-quality plastic and hardened steel, it delivers up to 90 kilograms of clamping force and supports workpieces up to 120mm in height. The clamp includes an upper clamping jaw for optional one-hand use and rubberized jaws with a V-groove to protect and grip round materials. This compact and versatile clamping solution ensures stability and precision in a wide range of DIY and workshop applications. Achieving a smooth, even finish on curved or irregular surfaces can be challenging without the right tool. The Infinity Mirka sanding pads are designed to conform effortlessly to convex, concave, and flat surfaces, making them ideal for sanding-turned projects, beads, coves, and tight spaces. These color-coded pads come in a range of grits, allowing progressive smoothing as you work. Their flexible sponge construction offers excellent tear resistance, minimal grain shedding, and long-lasting performance. Use them flat, folded, or rolled to match the shape you're sanding. Available in 10 or 25-piece packs and a 25-piece multi-pack, they're the perfect solution for precise, controlled sanding on contours and irregular surfaces. Cutting firewood safely and efficiently requires a stable and portable support system. Meet the Wolfcraft SB 60 Saw Buck, a compact, quick-folding solution designed for the fast and safe sawing of 1-meter logs. With a load capacity of up to 100 kilograms, it features wide feet and a 26mm round steel tube for excellent stability, even on uneven ground. A stop bar prevents wood from flying out, while beechwood tool protection safeguards your saw chain. It includes a scale for cutting logs to 25 or 33 centimeters. Perfect for mobile use, this portable sawbuck offers fast setup, safe handling, and space-saving storage for all your firewood cutting needs. Accurate and strong joints are essential for quality woodworking projects. The Infinity Self-Centering Doweling Jig is a precision tool designed to make dowel joinery easy, fast, and accurate. It includes 12 steel drill guide bushings in 1/4 inch, 5/16 inch, and 3/8 inch sizes, allowing you to match any project requirement. With its automatic self-centering design, it works flawlessly on materials from 3/8 of an inch to 2 inches thick, ensuring perfect alignment even when parts differ in size. Built with rugged aluminum sides, a steel clamping screw, and no loose parts, it offers durability, stability, and scratch-free performance. Ideal for creating precise, strong dowel joints in woodworking. Precise drilling requires firm and reliable clamping of workpieces. The Wolfcraft machine vise is built for securely clamping materials on a drill stand, offering a robust cast iron and steel design for maximum stability. It features a steel trapezoidal spindle and a quick adjuster for fast and easy clamping. With a clamping width of up to 80 millimeters, it securely holds flat and round materials thanks to its jaws with horizontal and vertical V-grooves. Compatible with Wolfcraft drill stands 502, this vise ensures quick release and refastening, making it ideal for precise and safe drilling operations. Accurate layout and marking are essential for precision in building and carpentry tasks. The Swanson Speedlite Square Layout Tool is a trusted solution designed to meet the expectations of professionals and DIYers alike. Built from lightweight, high-impact structural composite, it features a beveled edge for easy reading, 1/8 inch space notches for scribing, and a scribe bar for straight trim cuts. Its matte finish reduces glare, while black-filled precision gradations enhance visibility. The trademark diamond cutout speeds up layout work, especially for seat cuts on common rafters. Ideal for siding and framing, this 8-inch square is an essential tool for layout, alignment, and accuracy. Cutting tough and varied materials demands a reliable, versatile tool that ensures both safety and precision. The Wolfcraft Trapezium blade knife is a professional dual blade knife designed for flexibility and durability. Equipped with both trapezium and hook blades, it features independent sliders that allow only one blade to be extended at a time for maximum safety. Its sturdy metal casing, ergonomic soft grip zone, and tool-free blade changes ensure ease and comfort during extended use. With an integrated blade magazine and included 2 hook blades and 2 trapezium blades, this knife is perfect for cutting solid materials in professional environments. Clean, fast, and accurate cuts are essential for efficient woodworking and construction projects. The Spyder circular saw blade delivers high-performance cutting with ultra-tough nickel-cobalt teeth that are triple sharpened for exceptionally clean results. Its anti-friction coating reduces heat buildup, extending blade life and improving battery efficiency. The alternating tooth bevel design ensures smooth rip and cross cuts, while polymer stabilization vents minimize noise, vibration, and fatigue during use. Engineered for fast, precise cuts, this blade offers durability and precision in demanding applications. Ideal for both professionals and DIYers, it's perfect for those who need a long-lasting, efficient circular saw blade. Accurate, clean holes are crucial when working with softwood or plastic in any home, hobby, or workshop setting. The Wolfcraft cylinder drill bit is made from high-quality tool steel and is ideal for stationary drilling, especially in softwood like coniferous wood and plastic. Featuring a self-cutting centering tip, it ensures pinpoint drilling accuracy, while the pre-cutting edge cleanly severs wood fibers for splinter-free holes. Its precision ground main blade and 2 sharp cutting edges allow for fast drilling progress. Available in 2 lengths and various sizes, it's suitable for both through holes and restricted depth holes. With a round shank for quick chucking, it pairs perfectly with the Wolfcraft drill stand. Efficient hardwood flooring installation demands a tool that offers speed, power, and precision without causing fatigue. The Lowe's Stanley Pneumatic Stapler, a Boss-Stitch 2-inch 15-gauge flooring stapler, is a durable, high-performance tool designed for hardwood flooring tasks. It drives half-inch crown staples ranging from 1.5 to 2 inches long, ensuring increased holding power. The easy-to-load magazine holds 92 fasteners to minimize reloading. With high-speed, mallet-actuated pneumatic operation, it drives staples quickly and consistently. A long-reach handle improves control and reduces fatigue, while extra-wide composite base plates offer stability on 1/2 or 3/4-inch flooring. The kit includes a graphite mallet and an adjustable pre-finished flooring adapter, ensuring smooth, professional-quality installations every time. Accurate tile cutting is essential for achieving a clean, professional finish in any tiling project. Introducing the Wolfcraft Tile Cutter, a compact solid tool built on a durable multiplex base plate. Ideal for cutting and breaking tiles up to 610 mm long and 3 to 10 mm thick. Designed for precision and ease, it features a C-profile guide rail with 2 triple ball bearings and a 15 mm cutting wheel to ensure smooth, clean cuts. An integrated metal cone allows for easy tile breaking, while the external breaking wedge and angle stop enable repeated diagonal cuts without obstruction. Perfect for DIYers and professionals, this tile cutter offers stable handling, accuracy, and long-lasting reliability. Precise nail setting without a hammer is essential for clean, damage-free finishes in woodworking and trim tasks. Introducing the POWERTEC Hammerless Nail Setter, a spring-loaded precision tool that delivers up to 5,000 psi of striking force, making it ideal for consistent, accurate, and efficient performance. Engineered for repetitive tasks, it eliminates the need for a traditional hammer, reducing material damage and improving control. This dual-head tool includes options for precision work and gentler construction, offering versatility across projects. Whether for marking, nail setting, or pin removal, this tool provides hammer-free convenience, making it perfect for woodworking, trim installation, and hinge pin removal with professional results. Finishing surfaces with smooth precision requires a lightweight yet powerful tool designed for control in tight spaces. The Wen Palm Sander features a 3.75 by 5.5 inch pad with an angled tip for precision sanding in corners and tight areas. Its powerful 1 amp motor delivers 13,500 OPM, ensuring efficient performance. Weighing only 2 pounds, this lightweight design minimizes fatigue during prolonged use. The hook and loop base pad allows quick and easy sandpaper installation and removal, while the dust collection port keeps your workspace clean by minimizing sawdust. An ergonomic grip and dust-sealed switch enhance comfort and durability, making this sander ideal for detailed wood, paint, and surface refinishing tasks. Tight spaces and deep-set screws often make fastening tasks challenging without the right extension tool. The Wolfcraft bit holder with an extra-long shank is specially designed for hard-to-reach screw connections in narrow working areas. Featuring a 1/4 inch hexagon drive, it ensures a secure fit in the drill chuck. A built-in magnetic bit socket securely holds your bits in place, while the additional strong ring magnet keeps screws firmly attached, even when working at tricky angles or overhead. This flexible and reliable accessory provides precision, control, and safety, making it essential for deep-lying screw connections and enhancing productivity across tight, confined spaces. Efficient material shaping and surface smoothing require a versatile and powerful sanding solution for various angles and lengths. Meet the SKIL Benchtop Sander, a 4.5 ampere belt and disc combination sander designed for precision and durability. This 2-in-1 sanding station features a beveling tabletop of 0 to 45 degrees and belt angle adjustment of 0 to 90 degrees for flexible operation. The quiet induction motor delivers consistent power, while the quick tension release lever and quick belt adjustment ensure fast grit changes. A Mitre gauge aids in accurate crosscuts, and the dust port keeps your workspace clean. With pre-drilled mounting holes, it's easy to secure to a bench, ideal for shaping, smoothing, and finishing wood or metal. There you have 20 awesome woodworking tools, all under $50. Which one are you adding to your workshop? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you never miss another tools and gear update. Until next time, keep building and stay creative.